Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the latest technological advancements and explore the innovative world of artificial intelligence. Today, we're going to discuss the remarkable potential of generative AI, a subset of machine learning that enables machines to create original content. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated on the most groundbreaking developments in the field. Generative AI has the capacity to transform various industries by generating novel images, music, and text. We can anticipate significant breakthroughs in computer vision, allowing machines to interpret and understand visual data more effectively, and natural language processing, NLP, will see substantial improvements, enabling machines to generate human-like text and converse with us more naturally. The creative applications of generative AI are vast and exciting, ranging from generating music and art to writing stories and even entire scripts. Moreover, generative AI has the potential to revolutionize healthcare, education, and many other sectors. However, we must also address the ethical implications such as bias, privacy concerns, and job displacement to ensure responsible AI development and maximize its benefits. The future of generative AI holds immense promise but also raises important questions about its impact on society. Join the conversation by subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing your thoughts in the comments. Stay ahead of the curve and let's shape the future of AI together. By engaging with these emerging technologies, we can harness their potential to create a better world for all. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video where we'll continue to explore the exciting world of technology and its endless possibilities. As we delve deeper into the capabilities of generative AI, let's take a moment to appreciate its artistic side. AI-generated art has come a long way, allowing us to explore new realms of creativity and expression. Each piece you see is not just a random assembly of colors and shapes, but a thoughtful composition created through complex algorithms. These artworks challenge our traditional perceptions of art and creativity, opening up debates on the role of AI in artistic expression. From surreal landscapes to abstract portraits, these pieces showcase the diverse potential of AI as an artist. It's a testament to how technology can not only emulate human creativity, but also enhance and expand it in ways we are just beginning to understand. In the next scene, we'll continue to explore the implications of these advancements. Stay tuned. Following our exploration of AI-generated art, we now shift our focus to a deeper understanding of generative AI's broader implications and future prospects. Joining us today is Dr. Maria Rodriguez, a renowned AI researcher specializing in generative technologies. Host, welcome Dr. Rodriguez, it's a pleasure to have you with us today. Maria, thank you for having me. I'm thrilled to discuss the fascinating world of generative AI. As the conversation unfolds, Dr. Rodriguez sheds light on how generative AI is not just transforming the art world, but is also revolutionizing various industries including healthcare, entertainment, and beyond. She emphasizes the importance of understanding AI's capabilities and limitations to harness its full potential responsibly. Maria, while AI can generate stunning art, it's also crucial in developing solutions for real-world problems. Its application in designing drugs and personalized medicine is a testament to its versatility and impact. The discussion also touches on the ethical considerations that come with advancing AI technology. Dr. Rodriguez advocates for proactive measures to ensure that AI development aligns with human values and benefits society as a whole. Host, it's clear that generative AI holds tremendous promise. What do you think is key to navigating its future effectively? Maria, collaboration and transparency between AI developers, policymakers, and the public are essential. Together, we can steer the course of AI towards a future that enhances human creativity and well-being. As we conclude our interview, Dr. Rodriguez leaves us with a thought-provoking perspective on the evolving relationship between humans and AI, highlighting the importance of ongoing dialogue and education to shape a future where both can thrive. Stay tuned as we wrap up our journey into the world of generative AI in the next scene. After hearing from experts about the vast possibilities and ethical considerations of generative AI, let's witness its capabilities firsthand. In this segment, we will see a live demonstration of an AI tool designed to generate music on the fly. As we watch, notice how the AI analyzes various musical elements to compose a unique piece that blends creativity with technology. Host, let's take a look at an AI tool that can generate music. Watch as it creates a piece in real time. As the AI begins its process, it selects from a range of musical styles and instruments, combining them according to the algorithms it has learned from vast datasets of music. Notice the complexity of the composition and the seamless integration of different musical elements, showcasing how AI can not only mimic human creativity, but also enhance it. This demonstration not only provides a glimpse into the practical applications of generative AI, but also sparks a conversation about the future of creativity. As we see AI continue to evolve, it challenges us to redefine the boundaries of what technology can achieve in artistic expression. Stay tuned as we wrap up our journey into the world of generative AI in our next scene, bringing insights and highlights from today's exploration. Welcome to a closer look at how generative AI is transforming industries beyond the creative arts. Today we spotlight Company X, a leader in integrating AI within their customer service operations. Host, Company X has successfully used generative AI to improve their customer service. Let's take a look at their story. As we delve into this case study, we see how Company X faced significant challenges in handling large volumes of customer inquiries. The solution? Implementing a generative AI system designed to understand and respond to customer needs efficiently and effectively. The AI system at Company X analyzes incoming queries to provide personalized responses, ensuring that each customer feels heard and valued. This not only streamlines the process, but also frees up human agents to tackle more complex issues, enhancing overall service quality. The benefits are clear reduced wait times, improved customer satisfaction, and a boost in employee morale. Company X's journey with generative AI showcases the potential of this technology to revolutionize business practices, making operations smoother and more human-centric. Stay tuned as we wrap up our exploration of generative AI, reflecting on today's insights and the future possibilities in our final scene. As we navigate the transformative world of generative AI, it's crucial to address the ethical dimensions of this technology. Today, we bring together two leading experts with contrasting viewpoints to discuss the moral implications of AI's growing role in our lives. First, we meet Dr. Alice Myers, an advocate for stringent AI ethics, who argues that while AI can significantly benefit society, it requires careful oversight to prevent misuse and protect privacy. Opposing her is Dr. Bob Clark, a proponent of rapid AI development, who believes that the benefits of AI far outweigh the potential risks, advocating for minimal restrictions to foster innovation. The debate heats up as Dr. Myers points to recent incidents where AI systems perpetuated biases, suggesting that without ethical guidelines, these systems might do more harm than good. Dr. Clark counters, emphasizing the efficiency and advancements AI brings, proposing that ethical concerns, while valid, should not hinder progress. As they delve deeper, touching on issues of AI autonomy, job displacement, and surveillance, it becomes evident that the road ahead is complex. This spirited exchange not only highlights the diverse perspectives on generative AI, but also underscores the importance of an ongoing dialogue to navigate its ethical landscape effectively. As we conclude, the discussion leaves us pondering the balance between innovation and ethical responsibility in the age of AI. After delving into the ethical debate surrounding generative AI, let's explore how public perception and media representation shape the development and acceptance of this technology. In this segment, we examine the role of media in influencing public opinion and the potential consequences on policymaking and technological adoption. We start by looking at various media outlets and how they portray generative AI. Some highlight its groundbreaking potentials, while others focus on its pitfalls and dangers. This mixed messaging can create a fragmented public understanding, leading to polarized views. We also explore how sensationalism in media coverage can amplify fears or unrealistic expectations about AI. To gain deeper insights, we speak with media analysts and psychologists who explain the effects of this portrayal on the general populace. They discuss strategies to achieve a more balanced and informed public discourse, emphasizing the need for media literacy in the digital age. As we wrap up, we reflect on the power of media in shaping not just opinions, but also the future trajectory of generative AI technology. As we journey through the complexities and marvels of generative AI, let's take a moment to peel back the curtain and reveal the magic behind this very production. Join us as we dive into the behind the scenes of how we created the content you've been watching. From scripting to post-production, every step involves a blend of creativity and technology. Our team uses generative AI tools to assist in creating graphics and animations that you see throughout this video. These tools help streamline our workflow and enhance our creative output, allowing us to present you with engaging and informative content. Hear directly from our scriptwriters, editors, and graphic designers as they discuss how generative AI has transformed their daily tasks and creative processes. They share insights into the challenges they face and how they overcome them using AI technologies. Moreover, we explore the ethical considerations our team keeps in mind while using these powerful tools, ensuring that our use of AI aligns with best practices and respects the authenticity of the information we share. As we wrap up this behind-the-scenes glimpse, we hope you've gained a deeper appreciation for not just the wonders of generative AI, but also the human ingenuity and ethical commitment behind this video series. Stay tuned as we continue to explore and unravel the future of technology together. Welcome to our interactive Q&A session. In this segment, we open the floor to you, our viewers, to ask questions and express your thoughts about generative AI. As we delve into this interactive part of our video, the host appears on screen, ready to address the curiosities and concerns from our audience around the globe. Host, thanks for sending in your questions. Let's dive right in and shed some more light on the intriguing world of generative AI. As the host reads through the questions, we explore a variety of topics, from the basics of how generative AI functions to more complex inquiries about its implications for privacy and job security. Each answer is crafted to not only inform but also to engage and inspire our viewers about the potential and precautions of generative AI. Host, that's a great question about the ethical use of AI. Here at our channel, we ensure that all AI applications adhere to strict ethical guidelines to prevent biases and protect privacy. The session continues with the host addressing several more questions, providing clear, concise, and insightful responses. This interactive dialogue not only enriches the understanding of our viewers, but also highlights the community aspect of our channel, where everyone's voice is heard and valued. Host, thank you all for your insightful questions. Your curiosity and engagement are what drive us to explore and explain the ever-evolving world of technology. As the screen fades to black, the viewers are left not only with answers, but also with an invitation to continue the conversation, reminding everyone that learning and discussion are continuous processes. As we wrap up this engaging session, we hope you feel more connected and informed about the transformative powers and responsibilities that come with generative AI. Stay tuned as we continue to delve deeper into the future of technology together. Welcome to our Fun AI Experiment segment. After diving deep into the serious aspects of generative AI, it's time to lighten the mood and explore its fun side. Watch as we use AI to generate humorous and unexpected content right before your eyes. Host, let's have some fun with AI. Watch as we generate some humorous content. As the AI begins its task, the screen fills with quirky and amusing outputs. From creating nonsensical jokes to designing whimsical virtual characters, the AI demonstrates its ability to not only work but also play. Host, laughing. Who knew AI could have such a sense of humor? These results are not only funny but also show the lighter, more creative side of artificial intelligence. The segment continues with a brief overview of how the AI was programmed to understand and generate humor, making it a perfect blend of technology and creativity. Host, this experiment isn't just about laughs. It's a fascinating glimpse into how AI can understand and replicate human-like traits, including a sense of humor. As the experiment wraps up, the host invites viewers to think of other fun applications for AI, encouraging everyone to see the technology as a tool for both serious and playful endeavors. Host, thanks for joining us in this playful exploration of AI. Remember, the world of technology is not just about data and algorithms, it's also about creativity and fun. Welcome to our viewer-submitted AI Challenges segment, where your curiosity meets AI's capabilities. After our fun experiment with AI, we asked you, our viewers, to submit your own creative challenges for our generative AI to tackle. The response was overwhelming and full of incredible ideas. Let's dive into some of the most intriguing and challenging submissions we received. As we load up the first challenge, watch as the AI attempts to create a short story based on randomly selected genres and themes submitted by you. From a sci-fi romance set in post-apocalyptic Earth to a mystery unfolding in an enchanted forest, the AI spins tales that captivate and entertain, showcasing its adaptability and creativity. Next up, One of our viewers challenged the AI to compose a piece of music using only descriptions of emotions and scenes, without any technical music terms. The result? A unique melody that resonates with the emotional depth described, proving that AI can indeed feel in its own digital way. For our final viewer challenge, the AI was tasked with designing a sustainable tiny home using criteria like minimal environmental impact and maximum livability. Watch as the designs come to life on screen, each feature calculated to offer comfort and sustainability, pushing the boundaries of architecture and AI collaboration. These challenges not only demonstrate the versatility of generative AI, but also reflect the creativity and engagement of our wonderful viewer community. Your participation makes this journey into the world of AI even more exciting and unpredictable. Thank you for sending in your challenges and for joining us in this interactive segment. Remember, the potential of AI is vast, and when combined with human creativity, the possibilities are truly limitless. Keep those ideas coming, and let's continue to explore and push the boundaries of what AI can achieve together.